everyone. We are first having an early breakfast here in Livermore before we head out further inland into a fantastic fall destination. This farm is very kid-friendly. Here's a mini slide in shape of a boat. There is slide hill for older kids. And then there's an obstacle course, the hanging bridge, for even older kids, teenagers, and adults. We are at Dell Osso Family Farm in Lathrop, which is an hour and a half east of San Francisco. I've never been here before, so I'm excited to check it out. And what better way to check it out is by riding the train.
All aboard the Dell Osso Express! Please remain seated and keep your hands and feet inside the train at all times. Look out to our left, and you will see the woods of our spooktacular haunted castle before we head back to the station. If you dare, take a walk through the haunted forest. You never know what you will see lurking around each corner. Enjoy the rest of your day at Dell Osso Family Farm.
Where do they want us to start?
I don't even know how to hold a thingy. Here we go.
Yeah, it's fine.
That's so funny.
Do it over again. Try it one more time.
Actually, I'm just gonna go to the thingy now. I'm just gonna go around it. I'm scared. I'm scared. You got this. Last hole. This is number 9. Hole number 9. Yeah. How do you want it?
One more. Go ahead. Try it.
Try it again. Try it again. You see it? Yeah. I swear to God, I did it one time. Hole in one. At number 8. And we weren't recording. That was so much fun. I haven't played miniature golf for years, more than a decade for sure. This place is pretty big and it is so family friendly. And pets are also welcome. All right, entering this big ass corn maze! Corn maze! Entrance number 2. It should only take 20 minutes, but we shall see.
Okay,
Wow,
that makes sense.
look at that.
That makes sense.
It's corn maze as far as the eye can see.
It's daytime. At nighttime they have someone.
It's nice because there are viewing
Like whenever we were
platforms, I think
Last time
3
it was with me and
that are located
I was like
around the maze or within the maze.
Thank
So you can sort of see
Thank you.
where you're at. And then there's guards.
It's my souvenir.
Oh my god. Can you take that?
Well, it's on the ground. I'm just taking for a photo.
Okay. But yes, there are guards that would help you to get out. I don't know if you should be doing this cutting like this. Oh my god. This maze is definitely a challenge.
Imagine it at night.
Woo!
I know.
Look at that.
Cooler at night.
Yeah.
And darker.
It would.
It's hard to find your way. That's true.
Oh my goodness. Flashlights is what I heard
Yes, flashlight.
for nighttime. Wow. Dang! We did it! We totally did it! Holy moly! Officially, it took us 50 minutes to get through a 20-minute corn maze number 2 to get through. Be prepared. Have lots and lots of water. All right, so what do you do after the corn maze? Well, you eat roasted corn, of course. Just to clarify, it actually took us 35 minutes to get through the maze, but it was 50 minutes overall with taking pictures, us droning. So we did it in good time. We did. The corn was really good. It's so sweet. But of course, that's what you'll expect from the farm, right? Especially one with a corn farm. So good. Bye, Jovian.
You want to go see the pumpkins first?
Yeah, we're gonna go to the pumpkin patch. No? You wanna go? Are you having fun?
Yes. You want to do the pirate? Yeah, there's a photo with a pirate. Well, it's a pirate ship, kind of. You see that one over there? You're gonna put your face on it? Is there? Oh, someone's sitting behind it as shade.
You don't want to ride the train? You don't want to ride the train? No?
Oh no?
Last stop, the pumpkin patch. Alrighty, so we are done with Dell Osso Farms. It is a nice
When we were in Mexico.
farm, which feels like an amusement park more than a farm, but it is a working farm, and as you saw earlier on
Oh,
the
yeah,
train
this is what
tour,
he told them.
their land is pretty massive, and half of that is a working farm.
I think she
Not
also has a photo
in a sense of
her parents
animals,
looking
but
at this.
a lot
I think they
of
gave them the same
trees
kind
and
frame.
fruits.
of hologram.
So now we are on our way home, but first we are going to stop for some ice cream. It is about
That's what happened to
90 degrees
Roger?
over here, so we're going to take advantage of it.
Take 8.
All right, I'm having some mais con queso from Ella's Creamery here at Tracy. I'm so excited. This is one scoop, but they were very generous. They gave like 2-3 scoops of the flavor that I wanted. All right, I'm gonna try the mais con queso.
You don't want that one.
Wow, that is wow. I don't know if you guys can see it, but there are whole kernels of corn in there. Look at that. My gosh. Delicious. Very delicious. I love it. Oh shit. Oh man. And then I ordered buko pandan. I didn't realize it was a shake. Oh shoot. I thought it was the actual buko pandan. It wasn't a shake, but you know what I mean? But wow, holy wow, look at that. Big. So good. So good. And Darwin got the coffee. Look at that. There are whole coffee beans in there. Look at that.
That's good. That's gonna wake me up.
Wow. So we are here in Tracy at Ella's Creamery. I read about this hidden gem at a KQED, which is a public broadcasting company in California, in one of their newsletters. I just sort of ran into it online, and they had featured this cafe. It's a cafe inside like a nondescript gas station inside its store. It's located at the back towards the restrooms, and it is Filipino owned, and the delicacies are Filipino desserts. And there are some days where they sort of put a twist on their desserts. I'm glad we got to stop by. I highly recommend for you guys to stop by if you are passing by Tracy. Parted ways with the BFFs, and I'm on my way home now. I did not expect to have such a really fun day. I've never heard of Dell Osso Farms. Darwin, I believe, was the one who recommended to go to Dell Osso, because I was really looking for a really good corn maze, and Dell Osso definitely has a fantastic corn maze. I mean, it's cornfields, or it's a cornfield as far as I can see almost. But the miniature golf, the corn maze, the train ride, the little snacks all over the farm, and their pumpkin patch. I have to say though, if anything, the pumpkin patch is what I found a little disappointing. I thought it'd be bigger, like much bigger, and a little bit more rustic as far as the setup was concerned, but it wasn't. But all in all, it was such a great outing. All right, I am gonna go ahead and focus on my driving. So this is a good place and time to end this vlog. So please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell button below to get notified of new videos. And for real-time photos and short video clips, check out my Instagram page at Assetimages or my Facebook page at Assetimages. So from my mind side to yours, definitely more to come for our Fall in the Bay Area series. Thanks for watching.